In this episode, which state do you think pays the highest or the lowest for journeyman or master electricians? Let's go. I think it's super important with this kind of inflation and this kind of recession and people moving all across the country on where we get paid the highest as electricians. Brothers and sisters in the trade, you know my passion is to help you level up, whether you're an electrical contractor or you're just getting started in the electrical trade. So which state do you think is the highest paying? Before we begin, comment down below in the comments, who do you think is the lowest paying state in the country? I have not even looked at the chart yet, but if I had to guess, I would probably say somewhere where nobody wants to go. So don't take offense. New Mexico, probably my first choice on the lowest paying. Maybe Kansas as well. Kansas seems like nobody wants to live there. Too many tornadoes. If you live there, big shout out. You know I love you. Let us know what you're getting paid over there. Now, what do you think the highest paying is? Comment down below. Write highest paying and write the state. Lowest paying and write the state. Highest paying, how about the one with the highest taxes? California? Maybe New York? I'm not sure. I have not looked at this chart. I do want to let you know that this chart did come from Service Titan. Now, I am not affiliated with them whatsoever, and they did not sponsor this video. Although the owners are my cousins, I'm just saying that because I'm Armenian and they're Armenian, and Armenians always call each other cousins. So if you are watching this from Service Titan, hey, hit me up. Let's see who the lowest paying state is. All right, looking at their chart, let's get started. We go down, and so far, 58,000 for Arkansas. Anything lower than 58,000. By the way, we're looking at the 4 to 7 year experience. So 4 to 7 years as an electrician, which is in the beginning of your journeyman master career, in the middle. I think it's a good place to start. So we got Arkansas with a starting salary of $42,800. Now this is an average, with a senior electrician being at about 58,000. Boy, that seems pretty low. Let's quickly scroll down here and see if we have anything below 58,000. I said New Mexico. I'm going to see where New Mexico is in just a second. I said New Mexico. Man, New Mexico, 61,300, getting paid more than Arkansas. The second lowest paying looks like it's Oklahoma, you guys. Starting salary of 45,000. If you're a senior, which means a journeyman master in 4 to 7 years experience, you're at 58,700. Did you guess those two? If you did, smash that like button. You don't get an award. You just get a pat on the back. All right, let's take a look. Who's the highest paying state in the country for electricians? I said California. Let's take a look. So for entry level, we've got 53. We've got, let's see, we got 53,000 for Alaska. Forgot about Alaska. Let's see. Wow. 53 seems pretty high. 56,500 for Minnesota. Starting out electrician. Is Minnesota going to get it? Is Minnesota going to get it? Wow. Minnesota. Who would have guessed? Minnesota has a starting salary of $56,500. Now let's jump up to the senior level, journeyman and master, minimum 7 years of experience. Alaska jumps to $72,000. We got the same exact amount in California. Wouldn't you know it? So far, it's Alaska and California are tied at $72,100. Let's see if we got anything that's going to beat them rolling down. I want to see what New York's going to be. New Jersey, 70,000, makes sense. High taxes, high gas prices, got to get paid a lot of money. Nope, my friends, Alaska and California pay the highest for journeyman electricians and masters. All right, New York City comes in at $67,900. It's kind of funny because California only has journeymen. They do not have technically masters. After 4 years of having your license, you're considered a journeyman if you pass the test. In Montana, where I'm at, which is kind of funny, let's go take a look over there. In Montana, you're a master and you get $59,500. But don't let the numbers fool you. It literally is at least 25 to 30% cheaper to live in Montana than California. So the numbers make sense. Hey, did you guess right? I hope you did. If you're getting value out of these videos, don't forget to smash like, subscribe. We will see you on the next one.